How to fix WhatsApp video call minimize problem. First thing, open the settings. Go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you want to do next is wait a few seconds. And after that, you have to scroll until you find WhatsApp and click on it. When you click on WhatsApp, now all what you want to do here is go to the permissions here and enable all the permissions inside the app. Go back, click on the data usage and do the same thing, everything should be enabled. Go back and now click on the storage or the internal storage, go to this cache option and clear cache from here. Go back, click on the open by default option, click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. Now you have to go into the home page, open the Play Store, search for WhatsApp and update it into the latest version. You can do the same thing in the App Store with the iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.